love to introduce myself. My name is Mario Ayala. I am the men's ministry director for our church conference, and I'm also, with my wife, a part of a marriage restoration ministry.
My name is Carmen Ayala. My husband and I have been in ministry for the last 5 years.
What got us involved in this ministry is our own experience. We were at the brink of divorce about 7 years ago, and since then we were able to learn certain techniques and strategies and methods that would help in the restoration of our marriage.
I come from a broken family, and I know the pain, I know the hurt that many kids go through. And so that's why I keep on working in this amazing ministry that brings hope to many marriages and also kids.
What excites me the most is the joy that we see that man who was probably at the brink of losing it all can now say that he's regained everything. But undoubtedly it must be the kids. I think that kids nowadays definitely need the hope of living in harmony and in functional homes.
Yeah, hey, my name is Mateo, Ayala. I am the second triplet, the middle triplet. Yeah, the temporary split was definitely hurtful in many ways. My dad leaving wasn't an easy pill to swallow for my family, for my mom and my brothers. But it just opened my mind that marriage is hard.
One advice I'd like to share with young people that are entering relationships would be to think about it hard, but most definitely to go into it knowing that it will be a success. It has to be a successful relationship. So think about it very hard and ensure that you do absolutely everything to maintain it a success.
Their ministry has impacted me in many ways. I see it as a reminder that God should always be the center of every relationship. When I do get married and stuff, to always look for a girl who has God in the center of her everything. And so that way I know that she'll make sure to put God in the center of our relationship. I see the ministry going in many different directions. I see it going into a lot of social media and stuff and going to those platforms. Obviously see it going impacting more marriages in our community and even worldwide. They already do worldwide things. They already touch relationships in El Salvador and many different places. And so I just see them opening that up in a bigger way, and I just see them visiting churches more and traveling a lot more due to this ministry that they have.